Students, now we will solve NCERT exercise 3.5, which is based on cross multiplication method. So we are taking question number 1. Which of the following pair of linear equation has unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions? In case there is a unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication method. So we are taking second part. In this you have been given the pair of linear equation as 2x plus y is equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. So this equation can be written as 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0, and this equation can be written as 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Let it be equation number 1 and equation number 2. As we know that for a general form of linear pair of equations in two variables, we have a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So for using cross multiplication method, this is the formula. First we have to make columns, the columns of the variables and the constant. So here the variables are x, y, and the constants are c1 and c2. So what we do, we make a column of x and column of y, variable and constant. So when we make the column of x variable, we take the coefficient of y variables in the two equations, that is b1 b2, and the constants, that is c1 c2. While making the column of y variable, we take the constants, that is c1 c2, and the coefficients of x in the given equation, that is a1 a2. So we have taken here c1 c2 and a1 a2, and for the constants we will take the coefficient of x and coefficient of y in the two equations, that is a1 a2 and b1 b2, like this, a1 a2 b1 b2. So what we do, first we multiply b1 c2, so I have indicated it by red color, then subtracting the product of the b2 c1, so that I have indicated in the black color. Here also we will do first the product of c1 a2, then we subtract the product of c2 a1. Here also first we take the product of a1 b2 and then we subtract the product of a2 b1. So in the given pair of linear equations, you have a1 is equal to 2, so you are writing a1 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to 3, so you write a2 is equal to 3, b1 is plus 1, so you write b1 plus 1, b2 is plus 2, so you write b2 plus 2, c1 is minus 5 and c2 is minus 8. So you have written c1 is minus 5 and c2 is minus 8. And what you see that here a1 upon a2 ratio is not equal to b1 upon b2 ratio. Hence, for this condition, we know that the given pair of linear equation has a unique solution. And to solve the given equations by cross multiplication method, we will make column of x variable, y variable, and the constants. So substituting the values of a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 in the given formula, which I have told you earlier also. So while putting the values in the given formula, first you take the column of x, so you multiply 1 by minus 8 like this, and then subtract the product of 2 and minus 5. For the y column, first you take the product of minus 5 and 3, then you subtract the product of minus 8 and 2, like this. And lastly, for the constant columns, first you take the product of 2 and 2 and subtract the product of 3 and 1. So what we get here on solving, 1 minus 8 will give you minus 8, so I have written here minus 8, and minus of 2 multiplied by minus 5 you get plus of 10, so I have written plus 10. Then you multiply minus 5 and 3, you get minus 15. Minus into minus will give you plus, and 8 into 2 will give you plus 16. Here 2 multiplied by 2 you get 4. 3 multiplied by 1 you get 3, but with negative sign. So now we solve this and we get x upon 2, because 10 minus 8 is 2. Here y upon 16 minus 15 is 1, and lastly we have 4 minus 3 as 1, so 1 upon 1. On equating x upon 2 by the constant, that is 1 upon 1, and y upon 1 with the constant 1 upon 1. So on solving we get x equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So this will be the solution for the given equation. Thank you.